Yes, sir.
Now, as you have observed here, now we are going to find what? Calculation of acceleration due to gravity.
Due to gravity.
So now observe very carefully, as we know from Newton's second law, as we know. So in the case of free fall, acceleration equals to what? Acceleration due to gravity.
Gravity.
We used to represent small g. Now,
No,
F
F is equal to mg.
now from universal law of gravitation, what is that law? Universal law of gravitation, tell me. What is the universal law?
F is equal to G
Sir, F
into
is equal
M1
to
into M2
capital
by
G
R square.
into M1 into M2
M1 into divided
R square.
R square. Okay. So here you can take M1 into M2 also, no worries. Both are correct only. But here we want to cancel this small m. That is why I am taking small m into capital M into small m. Any doubt in this? Now,
No
this
doubt, sir.
is equation 2. Equation 2. Now, substitute equation 1 in equation 2. In equation 2. Now observe very carefully. Equation 1 what? F equals to mg. Is it yes or no? F equals to mg. So in place of F, can I write mg? Tamil Selvan, Maitreya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Capital M into small m divided by R square.
R square.
Here right hand side and left hand side, here mm will get cancelled. So small g is equals to what? Capital G into
Capital G into M by R square.
This is the formula for calculating G value. Do you understand? Anybody, any doubt you can ask. Manya, Samaya, Laksha, Devarshini, understand? This is G.
Yes, sir.
G equals to what? Capital G into capital M.
Capital G into capital
Yeah.
M.
Capital M divided by R square.
Yes. So capital G, small g equals to capital G into M into R square. Is it okay, guys? Now, units.
Yes, sir.
Take the units. Let us take the units. As we know, units of G. As we know, what is the unit of G? Meter per second square.
Meter per second square, sir.
So now what is the unit of G? Capital G value? Newton.
Newton into kilogram.
Newton meter.
Kilogram.
Meter square meter into. Understand? Next, mass kilo.
Sir, Newton meter square by the kilogram square only, no, sir.
Newton meter square by kilogram square.
Kilogram square.
Sorry, Newton kilogram square for meter square only, Capital G into correct. Capital G value I'm asking. Oh, okay, correct only. Newton square meter per kilogram square. Is it yes or no? Next,
Sir.
Sir.
mass equals to kilogram. Understanding. Next one is what?
I
R square means what? R square means M whole square. That now observe very carefully. Yes, observe very carefully here. Let me get cancel square meter and square meter and 1 kilogram and kilogram. Is it yes or no? Now remaining is what? Newton per kilogram. Is it yes or no, guys? That is. Now, as we know, 1 Newton equals to how much? Elmakil Pradosh Tamil Selvan. 1 Newton
1
equals
kilogram meter per
1
kilogram
meter per second square.
that is. So in place of Newton, can I substitute kilogram meter per second square? Shruti, are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you understand?
Kilogram cancel.
Divided
Yes,
by
sir.
kilogram. So kilogram will get cancelled. What is the unit of G? Meter per
Meter per second square.
square. That's all G value. Have you got it or not? That is a G value. Now,
Sir.
suppose if the body is very close to the surface of the earth, all of you should remember, if the body is very close to the surface of the earth, then the distance between their centers, directly you can take, this is very negligible mass.
Radius.
You can take
Radius, sir.
distance between the centers of the two bodies, which is equals to radius of earth. What is that?
Radius
Radius
of
of Earth.
Radius of earth. When they have given extremely large values. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me. So in
Yes, sir.
alone, when body is also what? When the body is close to the earth, understanding, then we will consider the distance between the centers. R is equals to what? R is equals to what? Radius of the earth. Understand?
Radius of the Earth.
For NCERT textbook, they will give you distance between the bodies is D. Both are same only. Okay, guys? Please respond me. That
yes,
is.
sir.
Yes, sir.
When the body is close to the earth, then small r is equals to capital R. So that what is the formula? Small g is equals to capital M divided by, what is the formula? Please respond me. Capital G into capital M divided by R square means what?
R
will
square.
capital R. R is equals to capital R. Correct or not?
Capital R.
Capital R square.
Capital R square.
Become
Yes, sir.
Understand, Monish? Please write it down. That is what you have to remember it. Any doubt in this?
No,
Please respond me.
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
That is on the surface of ground. On the surface of ground. So then capital small cap. What will happen? Small g is equals to what, guys? Please respond me. The small g is equals to what? Small g is equals to what?
Capital G.
Capital G M by
Yeah.
R square.
Capital R square.
So R means what?
Capital R square.
What is R mean?
capital R.
Radius.
Radius.
What is that?
Radius of.
Radius.
Radius of an
That
Radius
is
of
what
the-
to remember. Okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Please write that formula.
Sir, scroll up, sir.
Write the units and all, everything you must know. Everybody write. Clear, guys? Everybody, Darun? Now only join Darun. Darun, be in time, Darun, every time. Don't be late, okay? From tomorrow, seriously. Okay? Get sharply by 6 o'clock, everybody. Everybody must study. Tamil Selvan, respond me, yes or no? You understand or not? Before you used to talk, now you are not talking. I don't know. After seeing me in school, you are not talking. Don't scare, man. I like you. Start working more. Is it okay? Manya, Samya, understand? That one? Okay. Responding means your language will improve. That is what I will say, Tamil Selvan, nothing. So that is what. So G equals to what, guys? Capital G into capital M divided by
Capital M by capital R.
capital R. So we have to remember this one. All of you should note it down, this one. So now let us go with that calculation of the acceleration due to gravity. So all of you keep heading. Calculation of the clear. Any doubt, Alana, Laksha?
No, sir.
Devarshini, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculation of the acceleration due to gravity. Sisters, you also? Okay, thank you. Alana, you? No response at all. So acceleration due to gravity. So what is the formula, guys? Please respond me. What is the formula? What is the formula?
G is equal to capital
Capital G
G
Sir, G is equal to capital G
into
into
capital
capital
M by capital
R
R
square.
square.
Now, so write it. Please, as we know, I will say the value. So as we know the formula, so capital G is, small g is equals to capital G into, understanding, capital M divided by R square. So now here, M means what, guys? Mass of Earth. Understand, Ra? And R means what, guys? Radius of Earth. What is that?
Radius of Earth.
Radius of
Radius of Earth.
This is for what, guys? When any object, 1 kg object, only how much kg? 1 kg object
1 kg object.
present on the earth. Do you understand, guys? Then the G value will happen.
Sir.
Okay, Ra? So this 1 kg object is negligible mass. Yes or no? That is what we want to.
Sir.
Correct. So G is equals to, as we know, capital G value how much, guys? 6.7
7 into 10 power
7
minus
10 power
11
minus 11
Newton
Newton
square
square meter
Newton square meter by
by
kilogram
kilogram
square.
into. Now I am saying you note it down. Mass of Earth is equals to. Please all of you write it. What is the mass of Earth? 6 into 24
6.4 into 10 power 24.
into 10 power 24 kilogram mass of the Earth. Next, radius of Earth is equals to. Please all of you write 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter.
10 power
6.4 into 10 power 6 meters. Okay, ra? Or else few times in exam they will give you in kilometers. 6.4 into 10 power 3 kilometers. Is it okay, guys? But 10 power 3
Yes, sir.
is what? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So 1000 plus 1000, it will become 1000. 10 power 3 plus 10 power 3, 10 power 6 will become. Okay, guys? Whatever they will give, you have to
Sir.
make meters. That is you should remember. Okay, Tamil Selvan?
Yes, sir.
Darun? Yes or no? That is so G equals to, now what is the mass of the earth? Mass of the earth 6 into
6
10
into
power
10 power
24
24.
kilogram divided by what is the radius of the earth? 6.4 into 10 power
4 into 10 power
10 power
3
3
6
kilometers.
meters.
10 power 3 sorry 10 power 6 meters.
Kilometers.
No, kilometers you should not take. You have to take in meters. So that is why I'm taking in meters. Okay, Pradosh? That is. Now you
Okay, sir.
check. Here 1 kilogram and here 1 kilogram will get cancelled. Here 1 meter and 1 meter will get cancelled. Is it yes or no? R square, sorry. R
Yes, sir.
square. R square means R square. Don't get cancelled now the units. Please wait. Let it be. Make it one more step. Later you can get cancelled the units. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now let it be. Units also I will remove cancellation fully. Now you can write the next step. What is the next step, guys? All of you write 6.7 into 6. What is that? 6.7 into 6 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 24. Is it yes or no? Divided by. Okay, Ra? Please respond me.
Sir,
6.4.
40.2, sir.
Wait, 6.4 into 10
Sir,
power
40.2 into
yeah, here whole square I forgot. You also forgot whole square. So this will come as a 6.4 whole square into 10 power 6 whole square meter. Is it yes, guys? So units also you have to write it. Okay, da. So units are Newton
Yes, sir.
meter square kilogram here, and down what is the units, da? Kilogram square into meter square. Is it
sir,
okay? Da?
down 40.96, sir. Up 40.2, sir.
Square meter will get cancelled. 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram will get cancelled. So what is remaining? Newton per kilogram. Yes or no? Please respond me.
Sir,
That's all.
Yes, sir.
6.7 into 6 what? Ra?
sir,
6.
40.2.
40.2, sir.
Yeah, what is that?
40.2, sir.
0.2. So 40.2 into 10 power minus 11 plus 10 power 24 minus 11. A power m into
10
a
power
power
13, sir.
equals to a power
10
minus
power 13.
into a
Sir, 10 power 13.
which is equals to a power minus 11 plus 24, which is equals to a power 13. Understanding?
13.
In the sense of 10 power 13 divided by 6.4 whole square.
Sir,
6.4
40.96, sir.
40.96. Understanding? 40.96 into now 10 power 6 whole square.
10
Suppose
power 12.
a
Sir, 10
power
power
m
12.
over n, which is equals to a power mn. Same way, 10 power 6 into 2, 10 power 6 into 2, 12. So 10 power 12. Is it okay, all of you? Now that is a step.
Sir,
40 divided by 2 into, divide by 2, 40.2 divided by
10
40
power 12 will go up, sir.
into 10 power
Minus
13
Into
12.
10, sir.
Sir, 10 power 1, sir.
10 power minus 12. Understand, Ram Avanish?
Sir,
Darun?
10 power 1.
Everybody, respond me. Samayan Manya, Alana.
Sir,
That is, Laksha, understand? Now, again here the formula, mathematics formula. A power m and a power n. What is the formula? A power
A
m
power m minus n.
to a power n, which is equals to a power m plus n. So observe very carefully. Now, here m means what? 13. Understanding? Plus means plus only, minus 12. So which is equals to what? A power 13 plus into minus, minus 12, which is equals
Yes, sir.
to power 1. Understand? Which is equal to
10
what?
power 1.
Now 40.2 divided by 40.96 into 10 power 1 or 10 we can say. So this is what the acceleration due to gravity of earth is acting by how much amount of mass, guys? On 1 kg mass. Understand, Ra? Or
Sir,
kg
Yes, sir.
of the body. That is
equal
Now 40.2 divided by
0.98 into 10 Newton.
0.98 into 10 power 1, which is equals to what?
minus 1
9.8
Newton per kilogram, not end, not Newton per kilogram. So as we know, 1 Newton equals to what? 1 Newton equals to kilogram.
1 kilogram
Kilogram
meter per
per
second square.
9.8 kilogram meter per second square by kilogram. So kilogram will get cancel, which is
percent square.
9.8 meter per second.
Square.
You understand, Ra? Please respond, Mira.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
That is. Understand, Darun, Manya, Samaya, Shruti? Clear, I think. So this is the G value. Shruti, still calculation, I am not satisfying with your part and as well as Monish also. So please be very careful with that. Monish, not Elmukil. Elmukil, both of you I am seeing in the class. It is not up to the mark what I am expecting from you both. Okay. Elmukil and Shruti, calculations are lot of improvement is needed in calculation part. Okay, Ra? Now, as I said, G value is constant across the earth or it is not constant. It is varies across the earth. It is varies across
Constant.
the earth. Yes or no? It is not constant. It is varies in the sense of slightly varies. It is not constant. For example, you can take, sometimes we will take how much, Ra? 10 is the acceleration due to gravity, 10 meter per second square. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we'll take 9.8 meter per second square. Is it yes or no, Maitreyan?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the reason and what it is? Observe very carefully. Now, that is what we can see. Variation of acceleration due to gravity. So please all of you keep getting. What is that? Variations of acceleration due to gravity. Maitreyan, understand, Darun? Variation of
Yes, sir.
acceleration
Acceleration due to gravity.
due to
gravity.
So now, observe what is that gravity value we have been already found. How much it is? 9.8.
9.8.
9.8 meter per second square.
Just now we have been found it. Yes or no? 9.8
Yes, sir.
second square. But it is not constant across the earth. So a slight difference will be there. So not too much difference, like 0.1, 0.2. So what is happening and why it is happening? Let us discuss more clearly here and so that you can understand. So Samaya, Manya, understand Manya and Samaya? Any doubt? Alana, at least in chat respond. So now, observe what is the shape of our earth, guys? What is the shape of our earth? Shape of our earth. Shape.
Sir,
Sphere.
in orange shape, sir.
Yeah, basically we can say it is a sphere. Understanding? But Earth is not a perfect sphere. What is that? Earth is
That
not.
is not perfect sphere.
Perfect.
Actually, we study Earth is in a perfect sphere. Understanding? Alana, understand Alana? No. Any doubt means ask me. Please, at least in chat you have to respond me, Alana. That is Laksha. Understand Laksha? So now you can able to see this is what our Earth is. It yes, guys? Please respond. So now
Sir.
you can observe very carefully,
Sir.
guys. Earth is not a perfect sphere. You maybe have studied in geography and social studies and all. Earth is a perfect sphere, but Earth is not a perfect sphere. So due to this, you can see at the poles, if you'll observe very carefully, guys, at the poles, you can observe midpoint is called as center of gravity. What we should call? Center of
Center of gravity.
Center of gravity.
gravity. So from here, if you observe, top one at the edges towards the North Pole and South Pole, the surface is not curved one. It is the flat surface. What is that, guys? Flat surface at the
Flat surface.
Flat surface.
at North Pole and as well as you can observe at the South Pole also. Here it is also at. It is also South Pole. So here also not curved shape. It is at some flat surface. Understand, right, everybody? Now let us.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the spherical. What is that, guys? This is the spherical. Understand, Ra? Now let me imagine this is the radius. Now at the top, it will become flat surface. It will become flat surface, so that where radius will decreases or increases. Till here only we can call it as
Radius will decrease, sir.
Decreases.
here only we can call it as radius. Is it yes or no? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Aside
sir.
at the midpoint, at the means at middle, it is maximum radius. Is it yes or no? Radius is
Yes,
sir.
sir.
or not, guys? Please respond me.
Yes,
That is
sir.
Sir.
So same thing is happening to the earth also. So earth also what is happening? At the poles it is having what guys? Flattening surfaces. What is that? At the poles it is
Flattening
flattening surfaces. Due to that, radius is decreasing. What is that? Due to that,
Radius is decreasing.
less radius. Now you tell me, if distance is decreasing, force of attraction is more or less? Force of
More.
more, because
More.
distance decreases, force of attraction is more. Same way
More.
you can consider at equator lines. Same way if you consider at the equator line. What is this called as? Equator line. More.
Equator line.
Is it a sir Nora? More radius. Understanding? So
Yes,
this
sir.
increasing. Distance is increasing means gravitational force. What will happen? Gravitational force will be decreasing. Do you understand, Ra?
Decreasing.
So that is you
Yes,
have to
sir.
remember. So here totally 2 points I should say. That is, the radius is smaller at the equator lines. At the poles, and the radius is maximum at the equator lines. Is it yes or no, Ra? So now,
Yes, sir.
second point. Gravitational force is maximum at the poles and minimum at the
Equator.
Equator line.
Equator.
we consider always total average. What is the total average of G value? Sai, Darun? What is the G value? Darun, respond me. What is the G value
9.8 meter per second square.
per second square?
Second square.
Tamil Selvan, Anya, Samaya, that is what you have to remember it. So Darun, I hope you understand. So that is the reason behind why the earth is having, understand, slightly variable gravity, because the earth is not a perfect sphere. It is having some flattened surface on the poles. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember. So please write that point. The radius of the earth at the poles is minimum. The radius of the poles, the radius of the earth at the poles is minimum. So that what is the G value? Ra? G value is maximum or minimum? G value,
Maximum.
Minimum.
please write it. G value will become maximum. Purinjicha, yes or no? Shruti,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
maximum. Next, comma. Second point. The value of G is maximum. The value of G is minimum at the equator. The value of G is minimum at the equator. Because why, guys? Because why?
Radius is more.
Radius of the earth is maximum. Because the radius of the earth is maximum. Any doubt in this till here?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Yeah, I will repeat. Since the radius, right? The radius of the earth at the poles is minimum. The radius of the earth at the poles is minimum. At the poles is minimum. Understanding, Ra? Daksha, Sai, poles is minimum. So that what is happening, guys? Please respond me.
The value of G is minimum.
The value of G will become increases. Understand, Ra?
Increases.
So that coming decade maybe 10 rupees, you can see the G value is increasing, correct? Like how the petrol price is increasing. The same way, if you are coming close, like radius is decreasing, the G value is keep on increasing. If the radius is decreasing, G value increases. If radius is keep on increasing, then the what is
G
happening?
value decreases.
Keep on. That is how to remember it. So that is, have you written that? So minimum at G value
Sir.
equator, and it is maximum at poles. Okay, but radius is maximum at equator and minimum at the poles. That is what you have to remember. Any doubt in this? Please respond me. So now you
No,
can,
sir.
No, sir.
the value of G is inversely proportional to the square of distance from the center of the earth. What is that, guys? The value of G is inversely proportional to the, because what is the formula, guys? What is the G formula? Please respond me. G formula. G formula what? G is equal to
Capital G into
Capital G into
E into
capital
capital M
R
by
square.
R square.
Capital R square.
Radius of the planet and G value both are inversely proportional to square of radius of the earth. Do you understand, Ra? That is what you have to.
Yes, sir.
The value of G is inversely proportional to the square of distance from the center of the earth. From where, Ra? From the
Center of the earth.
That is why you can say always every object towards to the another object, towards the what? Towards its surface or towards its center? Towards to its
Center.
Center.
remember. Okay, guys. So from this formula we can conclude G value is inversely proportional to what, Ra? G value is inversely proportional to R square.
R square.
R square.
R is what? Radius of the
Radius.
earth.
Of the earth.
So that is what you should remember. So if you'll observe, if you'll go up from the surface of the earth, means in the sense of we are moving towards the center of the earth, so that the value will, what is happening? Decreases or increases? The value. If you are
Sir, what, sir?
going up from the surface of the earth, man, suppose if
Increases.
away from, suppose see, if I am moving away from the earth, if I am moving, suppose I am here now, let me imagine this is Darun only. Now Darun is moving away from the surface of the earth. So G value will decreases or increases. That is what I am asking.
Sir, decreases.
Increase, sir.
Decreases. Y means R is increasing. Yes or no? Because R means the
Yes, sir.
distance between the center from their bodies
Sir,
is
if
increasing.
we come down means only it will increase.
G value what? G value decreases. If G value is increasing, R will decrease. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember. So here two cases I am saying. Case one, when moving away from the surface, what is that? Away
Away from the sun.
Away from the surface.
surface, R value increases. Is it yes or no? R value increases.
Yes, sir.
Square of R and G value will decreases.
Decreases.
Next, if you are moving, suppose this is the earth. If you have started moving inside towards to the earth,
R value decreases. G value increases.
R is equals to decreases. Understanding? So that G value, what is happening, guys? G value.
Increases.
Now, my question is, how smart you people are? Let me see. How many are there? Shruti is there. Sai is there. Tamil Selvan, Pradosh, Jayavarshini, everybody is there. This R value. So at a certain situation, G will become 0, guys. At what case can you able to say? At what case? Now, brain. Use brain, Elamukil. Use brain means you will get the answer. Let me see who is having brain. Sai, Pradosh. G value
Sir,
becomes
if we are in space,
space. No, space also.
Sir, when it is
out of
exactly
the
at center.
atmosphere. Out of the atmosphere.
When
Out of the atmosphere.
number G value will become, understanding, 0 only when mass of the body will become 0. What is that? Mass of the body will become 0. Be very
Zero.
careful. Understanding that? So mass of the body will become 0. M is equals to 0. Then G value what will become? G is equals to what, guys? Capital G. 0 by R square. So 0 by anything what? 0 by
Zero.
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 But G value will become infinity, undefined at certain situation. At what condition? What condition? If R will become 0, what is that?
R will become 0, sir.
0.
R
will become zero.
Because suppose I will reaches to the center of the earth. What will happen, guys? What is the earth? Distance between them is, suppose I will reaches to the center of the earth. What is the distance between us? What is the distance between us?
Zero.
Sir.
Zero.
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 So by the time small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square means 0 square. So that
0 square, sir.
equals to what? Anything by 0. Anything by 0.
Infinity, sir.
Infinity or undefined. What you can say? Undefined.
Undefined.
Okay, guys, please respond me. That is you should remember.
Sir.
Everybody, will you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are
Yes,
moving
sir.
away from the surface of the earth, what is increasing? Distance from the center of the earth increases, and hence the value of G decreases or not? Value of G
Increases, sir.
Understand?
Increases, sir.
Decreases, D decreases. Sorry, G decreases. If G increases, R is decreasing. That is
R decreases, sir.
okay, Ra? So now
Yes,
the
sir.
value of acceleration due to gravity G at an altitude of 200 kilometers. How much, guys? At An altitude of
Altitude of 200
200
kilometers.
For example, on the surface, how much? Ra? On the surface, how much? On the surface, we have been calculated. On the surface, G equals how much? 9.8.
9.8 meter per
Square.
second
Square.
Now, if you go to 200 kilometers above from the ground, how much? Ra? 200 kilometers above.
200 kilometers
Meters
above.
above from the ground.
Understanding? Then if you check the to 9.23 meter per second square. What is that? 9.2
9.23
meter
meter
per
per
second
square.
square.
Understanding? Like that.
Decreases, sir.
Understanding? 200 become 1000 kilometers. What is that? An altitude of 1000 kilometers. Purinjicha, respond me.
Sir.
Sir,
So if suppose the body will move, how many kilometers? Ra? 1000 kilometers.
1000 kilometers.
The G value is equals to 7.34. How much it is? 7.
7.34.
4 meter
Understanding? Sorry, what is that G value? So G value is equals to what? Meter per second square. What is that?
meter per second square.
Meter.
Per second square.
Okay, ra? Like that. You can answer. Same way, if you go to 5,000 kilometers, what is happening? 5,000 kilometers. I am moving from the earth at 5,000 kilometers. So then what is happening, Ra? What is happening, guys? The gravity decreases or increases? We are moving 5,000.
Decreases.
Decreases, sir.
At that time, the value, you know, guys, 3.08 meter per second square. What is that? 3.08.
3.08 meter per second square.
Decreases, have you seen, Monish? Yes or no?
Yes,
If you move same way towards to the earth, 10,000 kilometers. How much, Ra? 10K. Understand, Ra? 10,000
Okay,
kilometers.
sir.
Then kilometers, then G value will falls into 1.49 meter per second square. How much G value? 1.49.
1.49.
Purinjicha,
0.49 meter per second square.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
suppose. What? Ra?
Sir, we can, by increasing the radius, we can make the G value 0, sir.
We can make it certain situation. Now you can see. Now G value become 20,000 kilometers. What is that? 20,000 kilometers.
20,000 kilometers.
So 20,000 kilometers also, you people, you are having some gravitational forces acting on you. That is 0.57 meter per second square. How much, Ra? 20K. If you'll go to the
0.5.
20,000 kilometer distance height from the earth, 0.57 meter per second square. Now 20 become 30,000 kilometer. Actually above 50,000 kilometer, gravity 0. How much, Ra? Above 50,000 kilometers, gravity 0. Is it okay? Mamanesh, Maitreyan?
Sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you go to the 30,000 kilometers also, Earth gravity is acting on it. It is around, understanding, 0.30 meter per second square. How much, Ra? 0.30 meter per second square. Purinjicha. So like 40,000 also somehow. And last, if you go to, what is that? 50,000 and above, it will become 0. Understand?
Zero.
Did they understand?
Yes, sir.
Shruti? That is you have to remember. Everybody. Maitreyan, Pradosh, Darun, Yelmukil, Tamil Selvan.
Yes, sir.
Here, that is. Okay?
Sir.
So I hope you all understand
Okay,
very
sir.
clearly. Any doubt in this, Maitreyan?
No doubt, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
Once it will reach us to the 50,000 above, understanding the thing will become what? The gravitational force will become 0. But this is this formula. What is the formula? G equals to capital G into
Equal to
capital
capital
divided
G
by
capital M
into
by
capital
capital
M
R
by
square.
capital R
Square.
square.
Understanding.
Capital R square.
Understanding the G value should increase on going down inside the earth. Understanding, Ra?
Decrease
Inside
on
the earth.
after going down.
Because R value decreases. What will happen? R value
R value
decreases.
R value
Understanding, Ra?
decreases.
That is you should remember. But however, understanding it is not true. R value should be increases. Yes or no? Sorry, R value should
Sir.
decreases. G value should increase if you are keep on going inside. But it is not true. It is not true. Actually, this formula for G is not applicable at any point inside the surface of the earth. Do you understand, guys? No, if G
Sir.
value is not applicable inside the surface of the earth. Do you understanding, Ra? So only it is applicable for what? on the surface of the
Okay.
earth. That is you have to remember. Okay, guys. G is not applicable
sir.
to any point inside the surface of the earth. It is sufficient for us to know the value of G. Understanding also decreases as well as go down inside the earth, and it will become 0 at the center of the earth. It will become 0 at what, guys? 0 at the center of the guys. Understanding? Because actually infinity should come according to the mathematics, but at the center, understanding, at the center, what is the G value, guys? G value will become 0. That is zero. Okay, Ra? The value of acceleration
Sir.
to gravity, G, is maximum on the surface of the ground. Maximum on the surface of the ground. And it is decreases on going above the surface of the earth or going inside the surface of the earth. Both, guys. Remember, it is not constant. Understand? So before I said at the center distance between them becomes 0, so that it will come infinity. Yes or no, guys? But
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
true. Why it's not true? Because G formula is not applicable inside the ground. Understand, Ra? On the surface.
Yes,
So
sir.
G value is only applicable for what? G value is only applicable for
On the surface of the
on
earth.
the surface of the ground and above surface of the ground. So now you should remember, guys, this G value is maximum. Both, finally I am concluding. G value is
Maximum at the
maximum
poles,
at
minimum
on
at
the
the
surface.
equator.
What is that? On the surface. On the surface it is maximum, which is equals to what? 9.8 meter per second.
9.8 meter per
If you are
second
going upwards, G value decreases. Like that same way, if you keep on going inside the earth also, what is happening? G value is decreases only. Do you understand, Ra? G value will
Sir.
decreases only. And finally, above 50,000 kilometers, G value will become 0. Same way.
Zero.
At the center of earth, at the center of earth also, G value will become what, guys? G is equal
Zero,
to
sir.
0.
okay. Don't remember the formula because inside the earth this G value is not applicable. Formula is not applicable, but it is keep on decreasing. Understand, Ra? So at the center of the earth, what is
That
the
is
G value?
other formula.
At the center of the earth, what is the G value, Ra? G value will become
0.
0. That is you should remember. Okay, guys,
sir.
any doubt? Anybody?
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
2 points you should remember here. The G value is maximum on the surface of the earth. The G value decreases on going above the surface of the earth as well as going down
Below the surface.
below the surface of the earth or inside the earth. That is you should remember. And
sir.
the G values become 0 at where above 50,000 kilometers
Above 50,000
as well as
meter
at the center of the
At
earth.
the
Understand,
center of
Ra?
the earth.
At the center
Yes,
of
sir.
that. Now you can see, for example, if we take understanding. So as we know the formula, what is the formula? G equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square. So what is the value there? G equals to gravitational constant, capital G. Capital G means gravitational